Hello everybody, Steve here, and today let's go for another brass padlock. This time I'm going to go for this one right here in the middle. Heck, ended up in the middle. Well, whatever. Kind of a little dirty, but a little well used this one is. Let's get zoomed in here farther. So this is a Cisa made in Italy. So yeah, definitely dirty, well used, rusty. There's the other side. So you can see where the plugs are on the side there. And here's the key. Nice little bitting there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Get a good look at that. Let's see, let's turn the light off, see if that's any better. Kind of. Get a glare off of a different light. Kind of a little bit better. I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to say. Cisa. It's gonna do something. Anyway. Well, there we go. And there's. So it does work. Let's open it. Yeah, it's not really too bad. I mean, it looks dirty, but it is actually kind of smooth. I mean, you can feel a little bit of dirt in here, but it's not really too bad. Definitely better than the other one that I did yesterday. This other one, that was really weird. So let's try to pick this, and I think we'll try a wiper blade insert, tension wrench, maybe. Oh, let's do it let's do this one at the bottom of the keyway. There we go. I think that will work pretty good. Get in here where you can see. Did I show the keyway? I don't think I did. There's the keyway. Where is it focusing at? Okay, let's try that. See how good that is. Let's see, and then we'll use. Oh, I didn't even show the size. So this guy is about 1.5 inches or about 40 millimeters. It's pretty good. So, wiper blade insert, bottom of the keyway, and we'll use our multi-pick short hook, the PN06. There goes the dog. Somebody must be home. Maybe I should find a quieter spot so they can't hear him. Anyway, let's try. Did I count how many keys? There are pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pins, I believe. 4, 5. 5 pins. Okay, so let's try pin 1 and work backwards. Or work to the back. So pin 1 is nothing. Pin 2, nothing. Pin 3, nothing. Pin 4, there we go. Binding, let's get a nice click out of that. Come on. There we go, nice click. Pin 5. Work under that one. Nice click there. Oh, I got some core movement. There we go. Feels good. Pin 1 is binding. Not doing anything though. Pin 2. Let's get that one. Nothing really there. Pin 3. Nice little click. That was very subtle, that click was. Pin 4, pin 5. Okay, let's go back to pin 1. See if we can get anything on that one. Kind of have to follow the keyway and go at an angle to get to these pins. Pin 1, nothing yet. Pin 2. Not really feel. Come on, they feel like they're binding, but not feeling the love. Okay, there we go. Nice movement there. Looks like it had a lot of counter rotation. There we go. Clicked out of that one. So we had counter and then a click. So pin 2 probably needs counter too, huh? Counter, click. Okay. I got pin 1, 2, 3. Go click there. Pin 4. Pin 5. It's fighting. I don't know. Something's hanging up. Trying to hold on. It's not open yet. So 1, 2, 3. That feels like a really good click. 4, 5. So there must be some security pins in here, spools or something. Feels like pin 3 is what's doing it. Come on. Maybe just because it's dirty, not really moving. I feel like I have to give it a lot of a good workout for it to go. I know I have picked this at least once. That's what happens when you pick it once and you say, oh, I'm good. Let's reset and make sure we're still okay. Try that again. Okay, bottom of the keyway. Pin 1. Nothing. Pin 2. Nothing. 3. Nothing. 4. Click. Okay. 5. Click. Little core movement. Pin 4, touch that one. Or was that 3? Yeah, it's 3. Pin 2. Nice click there. Core movement. Let's try pin 1. Click there. Nice core movement with that one. 2. Yeah. There we go. Something there. Pin 3. Is it pin 3 that's been holding us up this last time and this time now? I don't want to. 4, 5. Okay, come on. I don't feel like I need to bully it or anything. It isn't open yet. Pin 1. Okay, it feels like that's set. Pin 2. Feels like that's set. Maybe. Seems like pin 3 is what's doing it, because it feels like I'm getting core movement. There we go. It was pin 3. It just was not We're having a hard time going up. There we go. So there we go. Oh, I just locked it back up. Anyway, here we go. Nice little Cisa, made in Italy. 40mm brass padlock. Picked open. Pin 3. Took a lot of effort to get that one to set, but that's what finally did it. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you're subscribed. And make sure you leave comments down below. And thank you very much for watching. And have a wonderful day.